The sun is shining, birds are singing. It's a beautiful day in the meadow. Fluffy white sheep are eating yummy green grass.
Bah.
A kind shepherd watches over them. The shepherd smiles. It's a peaceful day. Everything seems perfect. But wait, something is hiding in the dark forest. Two yellow eyes peek out from behind a tree. It's a hungry wolf. He hasn't eaten in days and his stomach growls loudly, echoing through the forest. The wolf is staring at the sheep. His eyes are fixed on the flock and he can almost taste the tender meat.
Yummy, those sheep look delicious. If only I could get my paws on them.
He licks his chops, imagining the feast he could have, but there's a problem. But how can he get past the shepherd? The shepherd is always vigilant, guarding the sheep closely. The wolf paces back and forth. He needs a plan. He thinks hard, trying to come up with a clever idea. Suddenly the wolf spots something on the ground. His eyes widen as he realizes what it is. It's a fluffy white sheepskin. It must have been left behind by one of the sheep. An idea pops into his head. He could use the sheepskin to disguise himself.
Aha, this is perfect. I'll blend in with the flock and the shepherd won't suspect a thing.
This gives him a mischievous idea. With a sly grin, the wolf begins to put his plan into action. The wolf puts on the sheepskin. He looks so silly. The sheepskin is too tight in some places and too loose in others. He fumbles around, trying to make it fit just right. But it's clear that this disguise is far from perfect. He tries to walk like a sheep. His legs are stiff and his movements are jerky. Each step he takes is more awkward than the last, and he nearly trips over his own feet. The other sheep notice his strange behavior. He tries to talk like a sheep. His attempts at bleating are laughable, sounding more like a growl than a gentle baa. The sheep around him start to murmur amongst themselves, clearly suspicious of this new, odd-sounding sheep.
Bah? The sheep question his strange noises, their ears perking up in confusion.
The other sheep look at him funny. They can't quite figure out what's wrong, but they know something is off. Their eyes follow his every move, filled with curiosity and doubt. One old sheep shakes his head. He has seen many things in his long life, but this is one of the strangest. He knows that this sheep doesn't belong.
Something isn't right. The sheep can feel it in their bones. They exchange worried glances, unsure of what to do next.
He doesn't trust this new sheep. His instincts tell him that danger is near, and he keeps a close eye on the newcomer, but the wolf just keeps trying to blend in. He adjusts his sheepskin and tries to act more natural, but it's no use. The more he tries, the more obvious it becomes that he doesn't belong. He wants to fool the shepherd. The shepherd watches over his flock, his eyes narrowing as he notices the strange behavior of the new sheep. He knows he must stay vigilant to protect his flock from any potential threats. Nighttime comes. The farm is quiet, bathed in the soft glow of the moonlight. The animals are settling down, and the air is filled with a sense of calm. The shepherd gathers the sheep, ensuring each one is safe and accounted for. He takes his time, moving gently among them, his presence reassuring. He's taking one lucky sheep home for a feast. This sheep has been chosen for its health and size, a reward for its good behavior and the shepherd's care. He looks at the wolf in sheep's clothing. The disguise is clever, almost perfect, but the shepherd's keen eyes notice something amiss.
You look delicious. The wolf's eyes gleam with hunger, but there's a hint of fear too, knowing the risk he's taking.
The wolf is terrified. His heart races as he realizes the shepherd might see through his disguise. He tries to run, but it's too late. The shepherd's hand is firm, and the wolf's plan is falling apart. At the shepherd's hut, the wolf panics. The walls close in, and he knows his deception has been discovered.
Wait, I'm not a sheep, I'm a wolf! His voice trembles, hoping honesty might save him now.
The shepherd is shocked. He steps back, his mind racing to understand the situation. The wolf runs away as fast as he can. The sheep are safe. They continue to graze peacefully, unaware of the danger that had lurked among them. And the wolf? He learned a valuable lesson. As he sits alone, he reflects on his actions and the consequences of his deceit. Deception may get you ahead for a moment, but the truth always comes to light. The wolf's clever disguise couldn't hide his true nature forever. Be honest, for trickery leads to trouble. The shepherd's wisdom and the wolf's regret serve as a reminder that honesty is indeed the best policy.